Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss our strategy for the next 15 days in order to crack GATE BTE 2021, which is being organized by IIT Bombay. So what are the steps which we need to focus on for the next 15 days? First we are going to analyze, then solve, then revise and then take mock test. So the first portion, analysis part. What we are going to analyze? We are going to analyze and pinpoint the chapters which are very much important, which are given more weight in GATE BT. Okay, so the biochemistry portion of it, you can see this. Oh, I forgot to mention, GATE BT was conducted by IIT Bombay in 2013 also. So we are going to analyze on this basis. So the biochemistry portion of this, around 7 marks has been asked. Then biophysical techniques 2 marks. So we can skip it for now, but later we can come to this. It's not that important. Cell biology 0 marks, no weightage at all. We can skip it for this moment, but we will surely come to this once we have completed the most important chapters. Then microbiome, it's a good percentage. 5% of the questions have been asked. So still we are skipping this for a moment. The immunology, so it's good. 7% of the questions have been asked from this portion. So we must go for this. And taking genetics into account, both the molecular and population genetics, it's a good number. 12% of the total question is from this section and you must go for this. Then advanced biotechnology, the rDNA and PCR thing, it's constantly increasing year wise, so this is a must chapter. We must focus on this. Then enzyme science and technology, it's also having a good weightage in GATE BT, so we must focus on this. So we have around 4 chapters from this section. And then the bioprocess, it's anyways compulsory to do. The questions, 15% of the questions are from this section only every year. The trend is not going downwards. Even in last year 2020 they have asked good amount of questions from this section. Bioinformatics can be skipped for now, but we'll definitely visit this. And then we have the engineering mathematics and general aptitude, which is definitely a good thing to cover, because alone these are covering around 20 marks. So now let's move on. Once we have finished this analysis, what we have found is that this chapter compulsory 1. Just mark those chapters. Okay, so what we will do is that first solve the chapter wise questions from this sections which we have marked: immunology, genetics, advanced biotechnology, enzyme science and technology, and this bioprocess section. And then we can move on to engineering mathematics and general aptitude, and then the rest sections which I mentioned. This sorry for this. The rest sections like cell biology, molecular biology, microbiology, and this biochemistry. So from where you need to solve the questions. It's good if you solve from this book, because it has like up to 2016 they have given a chapter wise solution, and from 2017 onwards they have not given it a chapter wise, so it will be good for you. Why? I will tell you in the end. Once you have done a chapter wise solution for, of the papers given in this book, you can move on to this one. It's optional. I'm keeping it as optional because it's not that compulsory. You can alone crack the gate by solving this completely, but you need to be focused and solve this completely for the next 15 days. Okay, so the chapters in which you are not able to solve good number of questions, you can revise those chapters. And how do you revise those chapters? If you have your notes, it's good, that's handy, it will be much better. But anyways, don't worry about that. If you have not done anything, this is the second approach. Buy this book by Pranav Kumar, and it is a quite compact book. Whichever chapters you think you are lagging in, you can go through it. and you will definitely crack it. There's no question about it. And then what I told, why I asked you to keep not solve this 2017 to 2020 question paper was that you can take these question papers as the mock test papers. You are just spending thousands of rupees for just solving mock tests, and what they do is just assemble these questions. Why not just keep it as separate papers and solve it yourself? So from 2017 to 2020, keep these papers aside. Do not solve it while solving the chapter wise, and take this as 3 hour test after you do the revision, so that you don't have to think that you have fallen into a pit. And if you are solving and getting around 40, 45 plus, or even I'll say 50 plus, then that's a good zone you are in, and you will definitely crack it. Then if you have done with this, and you still have time left, then you can go through this, the debate BAT previous year questions and GATE Excel biochemistry questions. So that's all. By just doing this, you can crack GATE BT 2021. It's easy. So I'll show you my scorecard. Let's see. By just securing 50.33 marks, I got a rank of 168. So it's easy. The number of candidates appearing is quite less, so you have a chance to crack it. So do not bother about whether you will get into an IIT or ISC. That's a different thing. But first of all, you need to score good marks, and for that, you just need to follow this 4 step. I have given an analysis. Anyways, you can do it yourself, and whatever your strong chapters are, you can focus on that, or the weaker chapters, whatever you feel. But focus on the chapters, solve it, revise, take mock, and then you are done. You will definitely get 2021. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. And so I'll wish you all the best. In case you want to ask something or you have some queries, you can definitely send me an email, which I have given in the description and down in the comment. I have mentioned it. You can mail me at that. Thank you.